Hi, welcome back to Tap Tech. Today, reviewing the DJI Air 3S. This drone is compact, powerful, and packed with smart features. DJI has been making great drones for years, and the Air 3S continues that legacy. I've spent the past few weeks flying it in all kinds of conditions. It's time to tell you everything you need to know. The DJI Air 3S looks sleek and modern. It's small enough to fit into a backpack, yet it feels solid in the hand. The arms fold in so you can carry it easily when traveling. The body is well built, and the materials feel premium. The propellers are easy to attach and remove. It also comes with an improved gimbal design for more stable footage. Everything feels refined, like DJI paid attention to every detail. Even the controller has a nice grip and simple buttons. It's not too heavy either, which makes it perfect for long sessions. The Air 3S has a dual camera setup. One is a wide-angle lens, and the other is a 3x medium telephoto lens. This gives you more freedom when capturing different kinds of shots. Both sensors offer excellent detail and color accuracy. The footage looks sharp, even when flying fast or in windy conditions. The camera can shoot up to 4,000 at 100 frames per second. You'll also get 10-bit D-Log M and HLG color profiles. That's great for people who want to edit their videos later. The photos are just as impressive. You get rich colors, good contrast, and solid dynamic range. It performs well in bright daylight, golden hour, and even low light. DJI really nailed the camera quality this time. Flying the DJI Air 3S feels smooth and responsive. It takes off quickly and the controls are very intuitive. You can fly it with either the RCN2 controller or the RC2, which has a built-in screen. Both options work well, but the built-in screen makes setup faster. The drone stays stable in the air, even when it's windy. The obstacle sensors are a huge help. The Air 3S has sensors on all sides, which makes flying safer. It can avoid objects in every direction, so you don't have to worry about crashing. There's also an improved version of Active Track, so it can follow people or vehicles automatically. You just tap on the subject and the drone handles the rest. The software experience is excellent. The DJI Fly app is clean, fast, and easy to use. You can see a live feed from the drone, adjust camera settings, and even plan routes with waypoints. There are also new shooting modes, like vertical video and master shots. These help you create cinematic footage with almost no effort. The smart features like quick shots are fun too. You can get cool effects like boomerang or rocket with just one tap. The return to home feature works very reliably. If the battery is low or the signal is lost, the drone comes back safely. Battery life on the Air 3S is one of its strongest points. You get up to 46 minutes of flight time on a single charge. In real-world use, it's closer to 40 minutes, but that's still impressive. DJI also offers a charging hub that can power up multiple batteries. It charges one at a time, starting with the battery that has the most charge. This is smart because it gets you back in the air faster. The batteries are easy to swap, so you can keep flying with spares. When it comes to creative use or casual flying, the Air 3S performs beautifully. The gimbal keeps everything steady, even during sharp turns or quick climbs. This makes it perfect for capturing action, scenery, or real estate. Whether you're a YouTuber, content creator, or just a hobbyist, this drone delivers. It handles complex shots like orbiting or fly-throughs with ease. You don't need to be a pro to get great footage. The audio captured from the controller microphone is decent. But like most drones, this one doesn't record sound directly from the air. DJI expects users to overlay music or narration during editing. That's normal for drone footage. So there's no built-in speaker, which is also standard. So audio quality isn't really a focus here. But the controller's beeps and alerts are loud and clear. You always know when it's ready to fly or when the battery is running low. For connectivity, the Air 3S uses O4 video transmission. This means you get a stable connection and clear video feed, even from far away. It can transmit video up to 20 kilometers in ideal conditions. In the real world, it's still excellent across forests, beaches, or cities. You get low latency, sharp video, and a strong signal most of the time. There's also GPS and GLONASS support, which helps with positioning and stability. The pairing process is fast and reliable. It connects to the app quickly and remembers your previous settings. Price-wise, the DJI Air 3S is not cheap, but it's not overpriced either. It sits in the mid-high range of consumer drones. You get a lot of professional features without having to spend as much as you would on the Mavic 3 Pro. For most users, it's a great balance of quality and cost. If you're serious about aerial photography or videography, it's worth the investment. DJI also offers bundles, including extra batteries, propellers, and a charging hub, which can save you money in the long run. There are some pros and cons to consider. The pros include excellent camera quality, long battery life, strong build, smart flying features, and improved obstacle sensing. It's also compact and easy to carry. The dual camera system is very useful, giving you both wide and zoomed shots without needing to land and switch anything. The app is user-friendly and full of features that help you get creative quickly. The transmission system is strong and stable, even in areas with interference. The cons are minor but worth noting. The price is a bit high for casual users. Some features like waypoints are limited to specific flight modes. It also doesn't have side-facing sensors like the higher-end models, which could help even more in complex flights. And while the video quality is great, it's still not as detailed as the Mavic 3's larger sensor. But these are small issues that won't matter to most users. Overall, the DJI Air 3S is one of the best drones you can buy today. It offers a powerful camera system, strong performance, and excellent battery life in a compact package. Perfect for people who want pro-quality footage without carrying a giant drone. Flies smooth, shoots great video, and keeps you safe with smart features. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned drone pilot, the Air 3S has something for you. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. We'll see you in the next one.